Today we're making lasagna soup, and I've been waiting for the weather to cool down to make this soup, but I'm in California and it's still 100 degrees out there, but I'm craving it, so I'm going to make it no matter what. You've got your lasagna noodles, a rich, robust tomato sauce, some ground sausage, some ground beef, topped with some cheese. It's delicious. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it. Start by dicing one large yellow or white onion. Once that's diced, you'll heat a large pan on medium-high heat, add in some olive oil, and once the olive oil is a little heated, add in your onions and saute until translucent. Add in the ground beef. And I'm also adding in chicken Italian sausage, but you can use ground turkey or ground chicken and Italian pork sausage if you prefer. And just cook this on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. And as it starts to brown, you're going to add in the crushed garlic and saute that for about another minute. And for the seasoning, I've got salt, red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, garlic, and onion powder. Combine and cook until the meat has mostly browned, and then you're going to add in the tomato paste and cook it down for about 2 to 3 minutes until it reaches a deep red color. Add in the can of crushed tomatoes and your favorite marinara sauce. I will say make sure to get a really good brand of marinara. You can definitely taste the difference. Add in about 6 cups of chicken broth. I'm using the Better Than Bouillon brand because that's my favorite. And also add in your crushed lasagna noodles. And I had a lot of fun here because my husband said to be creative. It didn't work. Fine, I'll do it properly. Is this better? I might have taken it a bit too far, but I sure enjoyed it. Cover and cook for about 20 minutes on medium heat until your noodles are fully cooked. And in 20 minutes, you have the most delicious lasagna soup with this robust sauce. It's saucy, it's decadent, and it's a little spicy just like me. And it wouldn't be lasagna soup without some freshly grated cheese, so I'm grating some fresh mozzarella, and of course, some Parmigiano Reggiano, and I just grate them all in the same bowl because better believe there will be no leftovers. To plate, start with the soup with your noodles and meat, and some freshly grated cheese, of course, and I say the more the better. And you're going to top that with a scoop of ricotta, 1 or 2 depending on how you like it. And I like to also top mine with some fresh parsley and basil, and you are good to go. To eat this, I'm trying to pick a bite with everything in it. Some ricotta, some noodle, some parm. I'm going to try to eat this without making a mess. That's exactly what I was craving. It is so delicious. Just lasagna as a soup, all in one bite. The ricotta, the garlic, the sausage. It's delicious. It's delicious. You've got to try this and you're gonna love it. Cameraman, do you want to try? Come try. Come on. I want people to see that I feed my people. Come on, don't be shy. My cameraman, aka my husband. That's yummy, huh?
That's really good.
That's really good. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments.